guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone's having a great day. Are you ready to make something pretty for Christmas? I certainly am. So I started with this easy peppermint and poinsettia floral arrangement. So I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Don't forget to leave me a comment if you like this tutorial. Hit that subscribe button if you have not already subscribed, and hit that thumbs button if you like it. I would really appreciate it. So for today's DIY, you're going to need a decorative box, and I picked up mine at TJ Maxx. You're going to need 4 greenery picks, 3 poinsettias, some peppermint picks, some white, I don't know what they're called, but 2 white longer picks and some foam. First, I'm taking some foam and just cutting it to fit and hot gluing it into the little box. This is going to be really simple to make, and these boxes from TJ Maxx come in 2 sizes. So we're going to start with one of the taller greenery picks. I just cut it a little shorter, placing one on the back left. Taking the second one, placing it on the back right, just pushing it into the foam. You could add a little hot glue to the end before you push it into the foam. Let it dry. Now I'm going in with my smaller greenery pick, placing it just a little bit ahead of the first pick on the left side, and then another one on the right side. So for this size box, it's probably about a 8 by 8, I would guess. It only takes 4 picks, so you'll have to adjust it according to the size of your decorative box. Now I'm going in with some fun peppermint picks. So 1 in the center, and just kind of fluff and spread them out as you go. 1 on the left front, and 1 on the right front. And I usually do a pattern when I'm making floral arrangements. And this looks really cute and fun so far. So let's add some candy cane picks. And notice I'm going to do a pattern here too. So 1 on the left, 1 on the right. And then we're going to take another one. And I had it in the front right here, but I ended up moving it back just a little bit. Next, I'm adding my poinsettia picks, and my greenery picks and my poinsettia picks came from Hobby Lobby when they were 50% off. So I'm going to do 1 on the left, 1 in the center, and 1 on the right. See, I'm having to move that candy cane pick. It's just in the wrong spot for me, so it's okay. If you don't glue them in, then you can easily change things and move them around. And so the last poinsettia on the bottom right. So I have a little cluster of beautiful poinsettias, and I believe these were only $2.99 each, and then I got 50% off of them. And I found these picks in the Christmas section where all the like Christmas tree picks to do a Christmas tree topper are located. So here's how it looks so far, and it looks adorable, but I like to add something fun and unique to give my arrangements movement and height. So I'm going with these 2 white berry picks. So we're going to move, I ended up moving these to the very back, put 1 on the left on the back and 1 on the right in the back. And then if your foam's showing in any of the places, you can take some Dollar Tree vase filler, the red and white little glitter balls, fill in with that, and that's a pretty fun touch. Plus, this box has an adorable lid, so I wanted to include it, so I placed it on the table too. This could easily be made into a centerpiece, but I just made mine one-sided because I was putting it on my entry table, and I think it looks really pretty in this corner. You'll have to let me know your thoughts, and if you plan on making one, don't forget to leave me a comment. Hit that subscribe button if you have not already, and if you don't mind, hit that thumbs up button for me too. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope everyone has a Merry Christmas.